Welcome to Real Estate Investors Wealth Academy TV, sponsored by REI Wealth Academy.
Welcome back, fellow real estate investors, to REI Wealth Academy. This is John, and today I want to talk about declaring. So we're setting goals. We're trying to accomplish our big why. We're making sure that we're tying our big why to those goals. We're doing SMART goals. We're tying the emotion to the big why. We're recording it. We're evaluating it. We're asking the question, what happens when we don't accomplish something? All those things are awesome. So much so sometimes that you actually want to declare what your goal is. I want to be a millionaire in 10 years. Maybe that's the goal that you have for your life. And then you're working back out, okay, this is what I need to do today, this month, this week, this year, in order to set myself up to be able to accomplish that. But the crazy thing is I promise you, somebody, somewhere, when you say that, will say, you're not going to do it. Maybe even you're telling yourself that inside your head a little bit, that you actually need to square some things yourself and make sure that you're actually attaching that big why to crush any of that negative self-talk out of your own head. But I promise you there's going to be naysayers that are going to be out there. That should not stop you from declaring. Part of declaring is simply writing it down on paper. So you have your goal sheet that's going to be there, actually reading that, having that in front of you, having that out of your head onto a piece of paper to be able to do that. The next step is actually going to be to declare it. Now, I'm not saying you need to go tell every single person, you need to blow up Twitter every single day about what you're doing. Maybe that's the answer for you, though. I don't know. I can't make that decision for you of how best for you to declare and to stay motivated and pumped up and to at least declare it to the people that are going to help you get where you want to go, that aren't going to tell you, no, you can't do that. They're going to go, how can I help? I would suggest that you should declare to people that you know and trust who are going to help you along your goal and to help you hold yourself accountable, especially on days that you wake up when life is happening and you don't want to go out and do some of the actions that you need to take. I know it's one of the hardest things for me. One of my people that I talk to and I declare to is my dad. I also declare it to my mom, to my wife. I mean, these are all people who I'm going to be responsible for, or I'm already responsible for in general. Now, my 4-year-old, 2-year-old, they have no idea if I was to declare any of that to them. And that's okay. That's why I'm able to declare that to my wife and ask her, what can I do for her? What goal can I set for myself that is going to help us accomplish the lifestyle that we want as a family? So those are things to think about and who you would want to declare it to, but you have to be able to declare it. If you're not able to put it on paper, if you're not willing to tell people and expose yourself a little bit, how are people supposed to know that you're doing that? And I promise you, even inside your network, and if your Facebook page or any other social media that's out there, the network that you already have, that you may not even know you have, is now able to understand what it is you're currently doing, what it is you currently value. And you will attract a lot of the people that are going to help you along with that process. You're probably going to be able to find private investors. You're probably going to be able to find sellers. The thing is you want to be able to consistently declare what it is that you're doing and then show results of what you're doing as well. That's what's going to help you build your business, build your brand, build your profile overall. Now, we're not going to go into each of those specific things, but as part of goal setting, make sure that you're also declaring it. With that, this is John signing off, saying we'll see you next time. I hope you have a great February overall. Keep looking out for videos. Like us on Facebook and Twitter. Leave us feedback so that we're producing the best product possible for you and any other future investors that are coming into our space, to make sure that we're giving the best content possible. And at the end of the day, come and join us at REI Wealth Academy. Inside the academy itself, there's way more training, way more nuts and bolts and encouragement and engagement that you're going to get there. Make sure you're checking that out as well. With that, again, John signing off. Take care.
Decide today you don't want to take a back seat. Finally break your financial life cycle. Learn more now at www.reiwealthacademy.com.